Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing a red X on your Wi-Fi icon in Windows 11, it means you're not connected to the network. In this video, I'll show you some fixes you can try to fix this issue. The steps are pretty simple, so let's get started. Solution 1. Run the network's diagnostics. Let's go to the search bar and search network connections. Now open it up and right-click on the network that is giving you trouble, and click on Diagnose. If it is possible, the diagnose will correct the problem. But if it didn't, then proceed to the next solution. Solution 2. Disable and enable the network driver. To do this, right-click on Start menu and open Device Manager. In here, expand the Network Adapters section. Now right-click on the driver that is giving you trouble and select Disable Device. If prompted, click Yes. Then go back to the same driver and click on Enable Device. Now right-click on it again and select Update Driver, and choose Search Automatically for Drivers. Then restart your system and see if the problem is resolved. Solution 3. Select Internet Protocol. So let's go to the search bar again and search Network Connections. Now open it up and right-click on the network that is giving you trouble. Open Properties and choose Internet Protocol version 4. Now click on Properties and this mini window will appear. In here, you click on Obtain an IP address automatically, and this will set your network IP address to DHCP. For the DNS section, you have to click Use the following DNS server addresses. Now the preferred DNS server, you have to input Google DNS, which is 8.8.8.8. After it's done, select the alternate DNS server and input 8.8.4.4. When it's done, click OK to apply the changes and close the window. But if this solution did not work, then go for the final solution. Solution 4. Network Reset. Open the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on Network and Internet. Then you have to scroll down and open Advanced Network Settings. After it's opened, look for Network Reset and select it. Then you have to click Reset Now and select Yes on the question. Now restart your computer to fix this issue. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the red cross on your Wi-Fi icon in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, so please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.